just received this and we're going to play and try this. This look like so much fun.
Yeah, look at this guy. He's like, ah!
So, oh, there is a... Okay, let's see what's in...
We have to build it.
Oh, this is need to assemble.
You need to put
This is
water.
a hat. This is...
You can put
Yeah, you can put water. Go ahead. So, let's open this. So, there is spinning right here. It's hold on, Jackie. Pull pins. And then the other one is, it said, skip turn. And the other one is pull pin, pull one pin, and spin again. Pull one pin, then turn. Pull one pin, then there is a reverse. Okay, so there is a hat, there is a stick, and a spinning. So I guess this is, you have to spin, and then that's what you need to do.
Yeah. You take two. If you land on two, that's what you take off. If you land on one, you land.
Okay. So attach the hat thing right here, and you just clip it, hold it, and then attach the stick. Okay, I'm going to spin this, and I will tell you. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna spin this. Okay, it said pull one pin. So you pull one pin. Nothing? Nothing. Good. Nora, it's your turn.
Skip turn.
Skip turn. You're lucky. Okay, now.
This is what you guys... I'm always lucky in games.
Okay.
Pull one pin.
Okay, you pull one pin.
Pull one pin. Becky, you have to pull it. Twist it.
Yay!
Oh, lucky you.
Okay, now
Pull one and spin again.
Okay.
lucky you. No? Okay, let's spin again.
One, pull another one.
Pull another one.
Pull another one?
Mhm.
No, I want to choose. Well, young woman, you just won the water line. Go ahead. No!
Okay, let's turn again. You get to pull it too. You made it yourself.
Is that?
Yes, you got it.
She got it. I have to put one more.
Yes,
No, it's out.
it's out. We're gonna need to put another water.
Spin it.
No, you have
No.
to do one more.
Oh yeah.
You're ready.
No, you're not allowed to spin my turn. You should get my charm. I am. I'm supposed to be lucky.
Yay.
Hurry, not for me. My things are wrong because I'm cool. What, two? Yeah, no.
One.
I'm out. Oh, mine getting cool. I want to dry out soon. We're in Texas. Is the point. Hotness, heat. No wet. That's just great. I don't get wet anyways.
I'm glad I didn't get the wetness.
I'm going to play that camera. Oh.
She got the wetty
It's your turn anyway, so. I just got wet. Pull one pin.
Why do we keep getting wet? Come on.
Why? Come out!
Nothing.
Lucky.
You're lucky.
I got wet. You did it. That's just not fair.
Not fair. Oh.
It is always fair. Mostly for me, because I'm always lucky at these times of day. It's that last round. Pull one pin, Jackie.
Okay, pull one. Nothing? You're lucky. Yay.
I don't need math. I get a double gym. What's the spin for me? Pull one.
No?
Whoa. Maybe the second time.
Okay. Nora, start.
You're gonna get wet.
Ready?
Okay.
Skip turn.
Skip.
Why? You think I'm going to get wet?
You don't get wet, though. It's part of the game. Get wet.
Pull one.
Lucky. I think that's we can see. 3 more to go.
4 more to go.
What is it?
You can pull one and I spin again. Ha!
You don't get.
I'm getting it.
Okay, another one.
One more.
Pull one. Pull one.
Why you? Mackenzie, you're the chosen one.
You're a chicken.
You're gypsy.
You're the chosen one. No one wants to get wet. I'm lucky. Jack, I don't have to pull anything.
I got
wet 2 times with Parley. I'm losing right now.
You're lucky. Lucky for the wetness.
Lucky pull too.
But
Hey, you can't do that.
yes, you can.
No, you
No,
can't.
that's not. They didn't say that in the rules. You couldn't do this.
Yeah,
Wait. Okay. Pull
I
one.
didn't do it.
You could.
Pull
I
two.
don't
want to.
One.
Pull another one.
You know, I don't get to. I get to it. I don't.
Getting
lose.
soaking wet.
You see how much I'm winning. Skip turn. Salt again. Man.
This is closer. Hold on.
Pull one and spin again.
Pull one in another spin.
So loud.
One more.
Go. Pull one. Yeah, so.
I know it's gonna be. One more. 2 more. You're lucky.
It's you, Mackenzie, or Jack.
Oh, Jackie. Wait, hold on.
Pull one.
Pull one.
I feel like I peed my pants.
Mackenzie, I'm the luckiest one here. Not today, you're not. No, I am the luckiest. I haven't got soaked once. Every time I get twice, I'm still not getting soaked.
I'm so.
I'm already soaked. So I am. I'm not soaked. Why am I the only one that's not? There's one more missing. I'm always wet. That's a kind of nice beat. And it's my turn to be wet.
Pull two.
Oh yeah! Lucky.
Pull one.
Here's the lucky one now.
Hey, look, my clothing didn't get that wet. How do you? Well, guess what? Who's the lucky one now? You said your lucky charm. Apparently, everybody got one.
Okay. Loser.
Pull one pin.
Yeah. Okay. Pull one pin.
Pull one.
Yeah.
You're wet, you're pet. You're so mad.
No, I should feel nice.
So nice, get wet.
I feel nice too because I got wet. Okay.
I'm really soaked
my
right
turn.
now. I feel like I peed my pants right now.
Give me good luck. I hope A shooting star comes tonight. Show the next time we play this. My dream can come true. Oh my God!
It would last about 5 days.
Okay, for one.
Someone I
For
really
one?
hate. Someone I really hate.
Okay, guys.
Tell me. Which one?
Nothing.
Lucky. So pull one pen and spin again. You get that a lot.
Yeah.
No. Spin another one. Pull one.
Is it?
Uh-oh. Okay. Nora.
Could have got a seat turn.
I'm so happy.
Pull one pin.
I'm very sure, but he was very.
Lucky.
Lucky me, lucky you, lucky.
Okay.
If I'm lucky, you're lucky.
Pull two pen.
So safe.
Okay, on the back.
Another one.
You're a lone wolf. You are a lone wolf. You are literally a lone wolf.
I got soaked again. Come on. Why you mean? Why you mean?
You guys want some more?
I want more! I want more! I want more! More! I want more!
I got soaked again. So wait, just 10.
My turn.
One pin.
Lucky me. Lucky you. Not lucky you, lucky me. We are falling up.
You always get this full of two pins.
2, 1.
Again. It's your day.
I am not like you know. It's your day, my
Four.
round.
One more round. One more round.
Okay, let's just spin this.
If I get it again, I'm gonna be. I wanna do it.
Pull one pin.
Oh,
Doing what anymore?
this one. Actually, this one. This one. No, this one. Yes. Ow.
Bye. Hope you guys subscribe to this video. Bye, blind Maloo's by getting soaked so much. Yeah. I'm so.
Yeah, we're gonna.